you start having a conversation and it never really goes anywhere. And like there's all these weird things that are being said or these read between the line things. And I'm like, am I supposed to guess what your intention is here? Or are you going to ask me your intention? That's why I said they're just waiting for their turn to be like, can I pitch you now? And if you're here to build a relationship, don't ask me if we can build a relationship. If you're here to, you know, support me, then support me. Don't mail it in. Like really support me. You just playing the game of social media seems like you're doing it for yourself, not for anybody else. So now it's like there's a couple of people that comment on stuff regularly and I'm just like I could feel they do it out of obligatory support. And there's other people I think they're doing it to hopefully touch some of my audience as I've grown. And then there's very few people that I see that I'm like, okay, this can lead to a conversation, whether it's me helping you or me being interested in what your thought process is here and just having a normal dialogue, or you actually supporting me because you mean it, or you saying, hey man, I'm here because I'd really like your support on my, like, get to the point. Let's be direct here. Let's be direct.
There's such a superficiality
I
in
no,
the
I think
social
everybody's
media
playing a
space.
game. That's
Yeah, it is a
what I'm
game.
trying to say is no one's fucking serious. Like there's a lack of serious professionalism of I'm here to do work and everyone's playing a damn game. Dude, you could be like, "Yes, I am here to get business. I'm cool with that. I'm here to get your business. I'm cool with that too. I'm here to ask you if your clients would do business with me. I'm cool with that as well. Can we just say that? Hey, man, I'm here because I want to really build relationships because I hope one day something comes out of it, whether you give me business or your clients give me business or you meet somebody in the street that you're like, dude, you got to do business with them. If that's what you're here to do too, great. I'm cool if you just want to be friends. Let's set some intentions, be professional, get to the point, stop wasting everybody's time, and man, stop pleasing the game in itself. And don't use other people. If you want to do that on your own terms and your own time, fine. It's like,
Right.
God damn it. Why do I got to be part of your game now? And I don't even know if I'm playing it. You have to build a relationship in any way, shape, or form. You can't just come
Yep.
out there and cold call people or smile and dial or spam people or really like be at networking and just ask, 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 ask. But now what I'm saying, and I'm finally clarifying this myself. Thank you, world, for being here where I work my shit out. I'm understanding it now. It's like, okay, it's like we've gotten past the niceties. Now let's get down to business. And that's the problem I'm having. Good. I'm glad I realized. You're welcome. Thank you very much.